Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super fun and super fresh to share with y'all from our dear friends over at the old Melody Susie's. I am really excited to share this with y'all. This is a little card that came in my little PR package. And if you would like to go ahead and scan that, you'll get a little nail tutorial guide. Here's their email, their website, of course, melodysusie.com. And don't forget, y'all can save 12% at the old Melody Susie's if you use code TARA12. That's T-A-R-A 12. I'll have it up here in this little corner over here. Use code TARA12. Here's the scoop. This year, the year 2024, Melody Susie is celebrating their 15th anniversary. You guys, Melody Susie, they have been doing it. They have been leading the way. As far as I'm concerned, they have been leading the way in the nail drill / e-file game. This is a special little beauty. Unbox this with me. As you can see, we have a brand new upgraded e-file in the S series. This is SM200F. Let me get the little lid off of here. Boop. Pop you off. They're always, y'all, these boxes, I always be saving these boxes. I mean, look at this red foil gorgeousness. All the little red foil details on their packaging. Love it, love it, love it. All of their products are always packed just flawlessly, phenomenally well. And I've never had a single problem, anything coming from the old Melody Susie's. As always, you're going to get your warranty information. Please keep this. You can go read all about it. You can follow the guidelines to fill in the info. So this is going to come with an instruction manual. I'm afraid to even show y'all this. You're going to scream. You're going to scream when you see it. So it's going to come with a nice little pamphlet, right? We have, what, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages of info. Save your manual. You never know when you might need it. But look at this. It's pink. If you are a pink lover, open your eyeballs. Come on in, come on in, come on in, because this little anniversary doodad doohickey e-file, it's going to rock your socks, okay? It's going to rock your socks. Let me just get a little bit more of this stuff out of the packaging. You guys, okay, all right, let me get this out. Oh, I'm screaming. Now, at the time of filming, at the time of recording, what I can tell you about this e-file is that this is a 15th anniversary e-file, okay? They are launching this in conjunction with their 15th anniversary. This is what comes in the box. This is a 35,000 RPM hand file. E-file, nail drill. I'm like, Tara, what are you trying to say? I'm that excited. As always, I appreciate all the little extra goodies that you get with an e-file. And I want to say this one now, I think my Melody Susie e-file count is up to 5. I think this is the 5th one that I've owned. And if you would like to see, like I pretty much need to keep all my little Melody Susie e-file videos in one playlist because I have reviewed so many. Okay, you're going to get a little set of drill bits. We're going to have a little mandrel bit, tons of little sanding bands. And you're going to get, what is this? A little 6-piece set. I keep wanting to call it a kit. You're going to get a little 6-piece set of drill bits. Oh, and then also a medium large barrel ceramic bit. And also this is a rechargeable. This is a rechargeable e-file. So here is your little cable, your little charging ports, your charging block. And you're also going to get a little connector, a little adapter connector to stick your handpiece in. If you are a traveling nail tech, if this is something that you're going to be using, if you're a person who literally physically clips your e-file to your drawers, right, as you're working, you can slip your little handpiece down in here. It's not going to be rolling around. So this is going to be your charging accoutrement, of course. You have your charging block and your cable. Am I going to open this? No, I'm not going to open it because I have 500 of these. But this does charge with a USB-C adapter. adapter, cable, USB-C. So obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have, oh, and your other end is USB port. So you're going to, or maybe port's not the right word, USB to USB-C. There we go. I can never get all of that. So you're just going to plug your actual e-file into this, let it charge up, and then when you use it, this is how you're going to attach your handpiece to your e-file. Okay, now I'm going to move all this out the way. So if you are a pink lover, which y'all know pink ain't my jammy jam, but I know so many of you guys, you know, your nail salons are pink, all of your accents are pink, you just live for the pinkness. Check this out. Holy moly. Look at this beauty. The handpiece has that metallic brushed look to it. This is way smaller. I don't math. I can't do the fraction of it all, but I feel like this is way smaller than every other handpiece that I've had. But look at the body of this. Look at the body, Audie. Sorry, I'm just goobing it up with all my little fingerprints. Gold accents, you guys, with the exception of the little power twisty knob. This is all gold, all gold. Gorgeousness, gorgeousness. Beautiful. Again, this, oh, even this gold has that like brushed metallic look to it. You guys. Okay, again, as of recording, I don't have pricing info. I don't have information about other colors. I don't know if it's going to be available on the Amazons, but hopefully when I do my voiceover, because I am going to be using this tonight to remove this sort of dip overlay that G Money did on me a couple of weeks ago. This is so retro. I'm obsessed with all things retro, first of all. Just the aesthetic, absolutely stunning. This says motor right here. So where's my thing? Where's my thing? That's going to go in there. And then this little part, the other end, is going to stick right in there. And this is how you're going to connect your handpiece to the base of your unit. And then over here on the butt side is where you're going to plug in to charge this. Y'all, sorry, I'm just getting all sorts of little prints on here. So this is where you're going to stick that in. You're going to plug it in. Oh, it also gives you a little rundown on what each of these little doohickeys do. So if you're confused and you're like, or if you're brand new and you're like, I don't know what this drill bit does, there you go. It gives you a little visual aid. God, look how skinny it is. Look how skinny it is. Ooh, this is so lightweight. I can't, there's like nothing to it, but it, not in the sense that, oh, this feels super cheap and inexpensive and I'm going to use it 4 times and then it's just going to go in the trash. I just can't get over how melodysusie just keeps bringing out fresh, new, updated models. They're getting smaller. They're getting more powerful. They're getting better and better, but you're not taking up a ton of space on your desk. They don't weigh a million pounds. See, this is the little sort of, if you want to clip it on your drawers, honey, you can do that. And then here's your little doodad that's going to stick there. And then your thing is going to stick there. Ah, this is so tiny. I am going to pull out my jade, which is the other full size. And I consider this a full size e-file. I'm going to pull out my jade and compare the slenderness, the size, the weight, BRB. So right off the rip, I'm just going to do a little bit of a comparison between the hand pieces. I am going to line up, without taking out my little dummy bit here, I'm just going to line up the base, like where the, you know, where the bits go in. And then y'all can see this dude is shorter than the one on my jade, which is why I said this really feels like it's the smallest little handpiece that I've ever had from the old melodysusies. So again, if I line up the top parts, it's shorter. It's shorter, it's smaller, but you guys can see if I put these side by side, there we go. This little dude. Now it is slimmer right here, and then it flares out just a little bit, like it has that sort of concave design to it, and whereas this one's just more of like a block, but it's still way slimmer. I'm hoping y'all can tell. It's way slimmer. Overall, it's way slimmer than the Jade. Gorge, gorge, stunning. Love it. Love them both. I'm really excited to have this in my arsenal just in case my Jade bites the dust, which hopefully it won't. They gonna have to pry the Jade out of my cold dead hands, honey. But I am really excited to see how this performs when I remove this. So let me just take this off. It's just so gorgeous. I'm just getting all of the retro vibes, all of them. You know what? Should I go ahead and hit the power button? Why not? Do I have to hold it? Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Okay. Oh, that's the on off. See, if I actually read instructions. So this is your actual power, and it says right here on off. I have my little dummy bit in here. You're going to twist it on and off. It also has the LCD readout. Here's your battery life up here. It looks like it's pretty good. It's in the forward mode direction. These are your RPMs. It's right now at 3,000 RPM. Here is your forward and reverse mode. I'm hoping all you have to do is just press that, and it's going to go from forward to reverse. It's not going to be herky-jerky, all that kind of a deal. And this is your pause and go. P, pause, love it. We're going to go. And now I'm going to hit reverse. Yeah, it paused briefly, maybe 1 second, and then boom, it's in reverse mode. I'm gonna do it again. And there we go. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna crank it all the way up. We're gonna see how loud it is. Goes all the way to 35. That's that on that. It's quiet. Now, I would say maybe at the absolute fastest I would ever run a drill would be 20K, 20,000 RPMs. When I'm working on myself, or when I'm working on Nana, I pretty much top out at like 15 to 17,000 RPMs. I would never in a quintillion years need to run this bad boy at 35K. I wouldn't. I'm not removing acrylics. I will never not recommend melodysusie e-files. This is the only brand that I will ever spend my own monies on, which I did when I bought my Jade. I trust the brand. They know what they're doing. They're also constantly improving their products. Y'all know I ain't blowing smoke up y'all's ass. If I don't like a product, I'm not going to sit over here and tell y'all to buy it just to be buying it. That ain't what I'm about. I want y'all to be well informed. I want y'all to spend your coins in smart ways, right? Just be informed, right? So this is what I'm here to show y'all. I'm going to be showing y'all, this is the SM200F, brand new for melodysusie's 15th anniversary. By the way, happy anniversary, melodysusie. We love you guys. I've owned a ton of their polishes. Y'all know. I have a whole all things melodysusie playlist, which I'll plop up here as well. So let's get down to brass tacks. I would like to try to start removing some of this product because I am getting a little bit of lifting back here in the back. And I just want some naked nails because I have some nail art ideas that I am going to be showing y'all very, very, very soon. So let me break out my dust collector and we'll get to playing. One thing that I completely glossed over is that it also has the lock and unlock feature on the handpiece, which, I mean, that's worth the price of admission, honestly. We are locked and loaded with my ceramic bit here. I cannot get over how just lightweight this thing is. I love the gold accents. Again, it's just giving me I don't know. I don't want to say Art Deco, but it's just giving me some retro vibes. I love it. Let me get this cranked up and we'll see what it do. So as I get this fired up, you guys, I do want to let y'all know that I'm a doodle head, all right? I should have swapped out my bit. Look at this. I just ripped off my top coat. I typically only remove gel product on myself or on Nana. I don't work with acrylic products, but as I'm using my ceramic bit here, I'm like, oh shit, like I completely forgot that G Money had applied while she was here. She had applied a dip powder, an acrylic product. So here I am trying to remove my acrylic, I guess, product using a ceramic bit. Do not do what I did. I should have completely just been like, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, back to this product. This is 35,000 RPMs. Y'all, this little tiny thing, yes, it is smaller than my jade. It weighs around 9 ounces, y'all. Like the whole it's so tiny. I love it so much. This is limited edition. It's only available in pink, especially made for melodysusie's 15th anniversary. Not available on the Amazons. So you guys, pick this up on melodysusie's website. You can save 12% using the discount code Tara12. Make sure you do that. And also, if you charge this fully and you want to use it, I don't know, if you're a nail tech, this thing is going to hold, according to melodysusie, it's going to hold a 12-hour charge, okay? So if you charge it fully, the battery life on this thing is going to be 12 hours. Like, that's nuts. It is super lightweight, as I have already told you guys. It is limited edition. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. The link will be down in the description box below. Again, use Tara12, save 12%. I hope you guys love this as much as I do, especially, hello, pink lovers. Look at this little bit holder. Freaking love this. Love, love, love this thing. Pick this up too. If you're out here shopping, pick it up. All right, I think I'm just gonna shut up now and let y'all finish watching this. So this is where I shall leave y'all, dear friends. I have taken this down to the absolute mostest, thinnestest of product on my natural nails. I can't remember if I told y'all that Miss G Money, I know I told y'all that she pretty much did a dip overlay, but these are my natural nails, and whatever product is still here, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it here. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget this little dude. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of the 15th anniversary e-file from the old melodysusie's, the SM200F e-file, another banger from the S series. So that's gonna do it for me. If you stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. You know I love y'all to death. The key word is anniversary. It's our anniversary. Hey. Okay, be quiet. I love y'all to death. That's gonna do it for me, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.